Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Crypto.com, Crocoin, take a look at the Cronos ecosystem, and give you guys my opinion on where I think we could be headed here. So without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video. So guys, first things first, we are on day 84 proposing Crypto.com to market buyback and burn Crocoin with a percentage of quarterly profits. Yes, we are on day 84 of this proposal. The Crow fam deserves this conversation. The Cronos ecosystem deserves this volume. Let's spread this message together. Follow me at 333 Blacksea. Let's reshare this, retweet it, repost it. Let's keep this message going. Crypto.com already did start this conversation. They posted an article about crypto burns and how it's good and how it's bad, but we need to keep this conversation going. Not be so vague. We need to hone in on the Cronos ecosystem and talk about burning Crocoin. We can do this together, guys. Let's just share this message. So I also want to talk about CAW today and some of these Cronos meme coins. So I say I like Crow with knife, CAW. You know why, guys? Because right now the market is starting to heat up, and I do believe that we are getting very, very close to that next big move to the upside in crypto. And what happens when we see that? We see Cronos meme coin mania, guys. I can't wait for it to come back. I've been patiently waiting. I know you guys have been patiently waiting. It's been literally 8 months of this sideways chop, and we're finally getting closer and closer to this move to the upside, which will bring all of the altcoins, all of the meme coins up with it. So we're looking over at the Cronos ecosystem right now. Ryoshi with knife right now doing very well, up 39% on the day. Pretty crazy. I've never really seen this meme coin, but you know what, guys? This is a good sign. This is a good sign. Seeing some coins that are newer starting to make big, big moves. $1 million market cap. That's very, very small, very, very risky. Mystery below at 10 million. I think that will probably be back above 10 million soon. And Crow with knife. I'm patiently waiting. I think that Crow with knife will definitely be reaching back above that 50, 60, and even $100 million market cap, especially if Bitcoin starts to make these big moves to the upside, guys. And if you do want to trade some of these meme coins, you want to leverage trade some of these meme coins, check out in the description box below or in the pinned comment. We have a $5,000 sign-in bonus to Blowfin. They have many, many meme coins that you can leverage trade. You can long, you can short them. All you got to do is click that link, deposit, and trade a little bit, and you get a bunch of free money. You get that $5,000 sign-in bonus. Take advantage of those awesome free links down below, guys. So where's Crow right now? Crow is doing something I am very happy to see. We're trading above 0.0830 cents just by literally a, what would you call this, a 0.00005 above the 0.0830 level. You know what, guys? I'm not going to be upset about that. If we can see a candle closure above that key level, this yellow line, I'm going to say that we're going to be headed towards that 10-cent price level, guys. And you know, you may say, Blacksea, 10 cents, what about the dollar Crocoin dream? Baby steps, guys. Baby steps. We need to be focusing on the levels that come first, and then we can start talking about the macro picture. And guys, if this is the last big move to the upside for Bitcoin, what have we been preaching on this channel for so long? We've been saying Crocoin moves at the end of the bull market, guys. That's when we see the large, large moves to the upside, and I am expecting that to play out still. Let's get that Crocoin proposal going, because if that does happen, it's going to be like adding gasoline on the fire, and it is going to go absolutely parabolic, guys. Let's share that message. So crypto in general right now, Bitcoin being above $63,000 is very, very good. We're going to take a look at some very important price levels. Bitcoin dominance trading at 56.5% when you exclude stablecoins, basically at 58.5%. Making our way back to that 59% level. I think that 60% is kind of the top for Bitcoin dominance, unless, guys, I talked about this in my video yesterday, unless we get front ran and people are expecting that Bitcoin dominance is topped out inside this channel. So they know that if we break out above 74,000 or break below 52,000, that dominance will rally significantly and make new all-time highs. Maybe, just maybe, people are front running that and they're expecting Bitcoin to make big moves here and liquidity to move out of the altcoins into Bitcoin. So people are selling their alts for Bitcoin because they know the big move is coming, guys. I could see that being a very, very possible thesis right now. But what I'm doing right now, I'm positioned. I've been taking profits along the way, and now I've just been sitting in spot. I've got some long positions, but not anything ridiculous right now. I'll probably bump that leverage up as we get closer and closer to this confirmation of the upside. Ethereum, almost above 2,600. I'd like to see that. But all in all here, guys, I'm patiently waiting for this big move to the upside. When you look at Bitcoin right now, man, it looks good. It looks good. Really want to see daily candle closures above 65,000. If we see that, in my opinion, I say, okay, probably making our way to new all-time highs. And I know that sounds like I'm getting ahead of myself, but when you look at the fundamentals, you look at the technicals, you look at where we are at in the macro cycle, Federal Reserve cutting rates, it's about that time. Money's going to move out of those 5.5% money market accounts because those accounts are getting cut down. The APR is getting cut down. People are going to take that money out of the sidelines and put it into risk-on assets. That's Crocoin. That's Solana. That's the altcoins. That's Bitcoin. That's crypto in general. Keep in mind, guys, we're going to see some big moves here. When we look at the weekly, shows a better picture of where we're at here when we're looking at Bitcoin. Really want to see weekly candle closures, but honestly, a weekly candle closure above 63,000 right now would be fantastic, and that's what we're trading at right now. We have about a day and 6 hours left. Looking for that continuation of the upside. I think that we probably get a little bit of a short-term sell-off here in the next day or so, maybe on Monday, but I am expecting it to just be that short-term and be setting us up for reaching the top of this broadening wedge at about 74,000 and making new all-time highs, guys. I do think that it's right around the corner here into Q4. We're patiently waiting. I do think Crocoin is going to perform very, very well. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you think that Crocoin is going to ride along with this wave? Is it time for Crocoin to wake up from being that sleeping giant? Let me know in the comment section below. That's all I got for you guys. Check out those awesome links down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.